on, guys? It's your boy Nas. Welcome back to another episode. Today I am super excited. Not only that, I am grateful that Disney is a gold mine, to be honest. It's definitely the most exciting stock that I ever bought this week, just because they're doing an amazing job and I am super excited. Guys, thanks for watching my other two videos. I appreciate that you are taking your time to look into investment and looking into my videos. Appreciate that. Before I start this video, give this video a like, subscribe, click that notification. I do make videos on stocks that are really doing well, also the stocks that might go down over time. But I appreciate that you guys are watching my video. Let's get into this. So let me grab my phone and talk about our Disney stock, which is amazingly doing so well, to be honest. So let's start today. It went up to 1.98, so that it made about almost $3 today. Yesterday, a week before, they made about $3.53. So what I like about this stock is that it has so much growth over time, and not only that, a month ago they made about $30, about 24.62% up last month. So let me get into the Disney analyst, and let me tell you about why are they doing so good. Just because I looked into a lot of market news and a lot of apps that technically tells you why Disney is doing so great. Let's look into my little notes that I have developed over the past a day or two, just to give you why Disney Plus is amazing investment for Disney World industry. There's this analyst who said that the entertainment giant launched its premium streaming subscription service Disney Plus exactly 1 year ago, and it's been a huge success. It's grown about 73 million paid subscribers. As of end of September, the COVID-19 has kept people home, stay out of theater, and streaming here is to stay. The service is offered in 24 markets and it's growing. So basically telling you that, knowing that COVID-19 has led so many industries, theaters down so much that people are staying home and subscribing to Disney Plus, and their investment grown about $73 million. Disney is well diverse collection of business, each top of its class, and together they give the company great potentials. So let me go through a little bit more. Disney developing content to display on its sites. It has more than 100 works in development, and it will be distributed among its various channels. So ABC, esports, so many other channels has been connected to Disney Plus. And not only that, one of Disney's most cherished prize is huge library of content. So it doesn't. So some apps, some industries, streams. It has diverse. It has multiple content to watch, but it's not that huge, and sometimes that kind of racks up your entertainment. It kind of makes you feel like, okay, I'm paying so much money into a Netflix and Hulu, but it's not giving me the amount of content that I want to watch. But Disney acquired Hulu in 2019. What that should surprise you right away. Hulu not only got ABC, got esports, it has Hulu since last year. The company acquired Hulu in 2019 for general programming, its premium news channel ESPN, and streaming in sites in other markets. So not only US is It's not only available in US, it's available in UK and other countries as well. So the market is really going up. So this company has over 120 million subscription worldwide overall. For streaming sites, media network revenue climbed up to 11% to $7.2 billion. The studio revenue tumbled 52%, maybe lost about maybe 1.6 billion, but direct to consumer revenue, which included streaming, jumped 41%, which is 4.85 billion. The number of Disney subscribers rose to 73.7 million end of the quarter from 60 million in early August. ESPN Plus subscribers more than doubled to 10.3 million. Hulu subscriber increased 28 to 36.6 million. So all this are added to Disney Plus. Disney Plus is gaining so much because of Hulu, ESPN, ABC. It's definitely raw. It's blowing my mind, to be honest. Uh, so Disney stock gained nearly 2% the next day once they um, gathered all the revenue from channels up to channels. Um, Let me talk about Bob Chadwick. After Bob Igley resigned as a chef, as a executive ownership of Disney, Bob Chadwick, um, a chairman of Disney Park Experience and Products, was named the new chef executive after Bob Iger stepped down in February. Dude, Bob Chadwick as the new CEO, the new chef executive, he's gonna do so much great. Just because, let me tell you, less than 6 months after succeeding longtime CEO Bob Iger, he's using COVID-19 crisis to transform Disney much faster than expected, all with an eye towards marking the company online juggernaut that reach far more people worldwide. So Bob Chadwick, less than 6 months, he increased so much potential, so much growth into the company that over after COVID-19, hopefully, you know, it decreases and the world gets back to normal. I feel like Disney's gonna make so much money into their stocks, and I feel like Disney stocks is gonna be great. To be honest, I feel like if you're gonna invest on money, you're gonna invest on a company, invest on Disney, just because it has great potentials, guys. I have done so many notes. I have copied so much great potentials, discussions and documents showing that Disney Plus gonna have so much potential. Overall, their growth is gonna go up. They're doing so much better. They may I think if you're gonna buy a stock, buy Disney. I think it has so much potential, guys. I myself bought one share of Disney today. So if you enjoy this video, guys, and you enjoy why Disney's gonna be the next big thing, and it's gonna make you so much money, subscribe to this channel, guys. I make videos on based on stocks that goes up, stocks that goes down. Probably help you end of the year to make some money backs or make more potential money in the future. If you haven't started Robinhood yet, or you want to invest your money on companies that could potentially make you money, click down below. I have a referral. If you click on my link, not only get a free stock, I also get free stock as well. It helps me, it helps you start your investment. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, click that notification. I make more content. Let's discuss on comments. Let's discuss on next stock that we might be able to talk about and things like that. Appreciate that you watched this video this far, And this is your boy Nas, and I'm signing off. Okay,